Okay, ready na? Yung mga solo joiners magkakampi. Rainier, Canada, Justine. Wait lang, para malinaw. Upo muna yung mga regulars. Marky, Mel, Jeff. Okay na po. Hindi, yung kabila kasi nalilito eh. Bigay mo lang, bigay mo lang. Talabol. Okay, game. No good by Orpilia. Pumerka. To Canada. No good. Rebound by Christopher. Okay, 2 points Alejo. Score 2-0. May foul counted po tayo. Wala lang tayo yung late call. Arañas to Canada. To Merca. 12 seconds. Arañas, no good. Rebound by Orfilia. Loose ball. Justine. Okay, foul daw ha. Last 6 minutes. Nice pass. 2 points, Merca. Score 0-2. To Marky. To Jeff. No good. 2 points. Score 4-2. Naninibago pa si Orpilia. Arañas, 2 points. Score 6-2. Oy, lusot. Na-steal. Nakakuha ni Arañas. Oy, munti ka na. Hindi, pag ganun pa lang naman eh. 8-2. Hindi naman pababa yung tapik eh. Foul. Time remaining 4 minutes 37 seconds. Christopher, 2 points. He scored 8-4. Points by Christopher. Score 8-6, nakaapak. Dos, umapak siya pre, bago i-release. 4 minutes, 8 seconds. Justine, no good. Rebound by Christopher. To Alejos. Alejos, 2 points, score only. Nagulat. No good by Rainier. To Alejos. Lalaman na ba sila o wala pa? Napaganda. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Orpilia. To Marky. Marky. No good. Rebound by Merca. Merca nagmamadali. Merca, teardrop is good. Score 10-8. Ang tulin, open agad. Kung may camera yun, ang ganda. Canada to Justine. Justine, wala. Nakuha ni Teo. To Christopher. To Alejos. Alejos, wala. Pero may foul. Labas muna. Orpilia, 2 points. Aranyas, bumalik ang bola, paso. Opel. Alejos, nakuha ni Justine, pinasa kay Merca. Merca, wala. Rebound by Aranyas. Aranyas, 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Merca, 2 points. Score 14-12. Two points. 16-12. Nice beat. Teo, Logo, kumalog lang. Nice steal. Ang bilis ni Aranyas. Aranyas, quick 2. 18-12. 1 minute 15 seconds. No good by Teo. Rebound by Canada to Merca. Merca, ang ganda naman no. 20-12. Last 58 seconds. Good, good. Hindi tumawa. Two points, Alejos. 20-14. Last 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 16 to shoot. 30 seconds, 8 to shoot. Merca, wala. Rebound by Marky. Last 20 seconds, steal by Aranyas. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ang ganda ng 22-14. Last 15 seconds. Christopher, wala. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 1.4 seconds. 1.4. And score 24-14. Ang bola ay dito. Sampu ang inahabol ng regular. Wait lang wait. Wait lang po Okay, back to the ball game. Score 14-24. Langang ang Solo Joiners. Palabas po palabas ang bola. Palabas muna. Wala tayong first ball No good by Justine. Eight seconds. Matagal na dito. Labas muna po, labas muna, labas. Labas muna. 6 minutes, 58 seconds. Merka, no good. Nakuha. Rainier, malakas. Merka, wala pa rin. Merka, okay, may foul. 6 minutes, 37 seconds. To Teo, to Orpilia. Orpilia, 2 points. 16-24. Steal ba yung atake niya? Wala pa rin. Justin, 2 points. 16-26. Two points for Orpilia, 18-26. Rebound by Marky. Time remaining 5 minutes 24 seconds. To Marky. To Teo. Extra pass to Alejos. Ang ganda. Naipit. 8 seconds. Orpilia, no good. Rebound by Merka. Arañas. Easy 2. 18-28. Inaalagaan na ng Team Solo Joiners ang 10 kalamangan. Good daw, good, oh, good. Merka, 2 points for 18-30. Three points, Marky Miles, 21-30. Four minutes, 15 seconds. 16 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Rebound by Christopher. 23-30. Wow! Sayang, hindi napigil. Hindi napigil. Nice extra pass. Christopher, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Teo. 2 points. 25-30. No good. Wala. Wala. Justin, wala. Sayang. Rebound by Christopher. Last 3 minutes. Marky, wala. Rebound by Orpilia. Wala pa rin. Alejos. 2 points. 27-30. Merka. 16 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Ang ganda. Wala, sayang. Ang ganda sana nung ano na yun, full rotation na yun. Marky, wala. Rebound by Orpilia. Magtatry pa ba uli? Binalik kay Orfilia. Umig. Orfilia to Teo. Teo, wala. To Rainier. To Aranya. 1 minute 50 seconds. Canada. 2 points. Score 27-32. Blanca. Takbo, nagagawa ng dalawa. To Rainier. 2 points. 27-34. Same ball. Two points Merca. 27-36. Puro turn over. Sinabol. Justine, 2 points. 27-38. Last 58 seconds. Rebound by Aranyas. No good. Last 40 seconds. Twenty-nine, 38, 34 seconds. Shama. 26 seconds, 14 to shoot. Fifteen seconds. 12 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Diretso kayo, Team Solo Joiners versus Team Regulars. Again.